we're by one of the local fishing spots, and I got quite a bit of animals over here. And they're being very vocal today. I thought I wasn't going to get anything, and here I go. I found something. I think they're all talking to each other. It's a very nice scene. If you have anxiety or depression or anything of the sort, this can make you feel at ease with yourself. Alright, we're by one of the local fishing spots, and I got quite a bit of animals over here. Alright, I found the groundhog. He's over here on the grass. I've been trying to find him. He's usually in a hole or something. And now he's gone. I found more ducks. So far it's just groundhogs and ducks. We don't have the best luck sometimes, but I have been searching for that groundhog. I'm going to try to get as close to these guys as I can. To try to get some close up. I did want to get birds. This other lake by my house. Chong just wants to go. Drives me nuts. But I figure I'd show you this little spot. I don't see anything in the water. It probably is a nice fishing spot. There's not a whole lot of mosquitoes over here either. This lake, me and my kids used to come here to. It does have special sentimental value. But, like I said, you gotta hold on to the good memories. When you're sometimes you're going through bad, and you gotta remember the mistakes of your past and look to the future. What else is there to do? I show you the beauty of this lake, and hopefully it lifted your day. Here's Chong watching all the cars go by. He gets excited about going to the park with his tongue hanging out. Sit and watch the cars go by. But I wanted to show you this lake. I think I caught birds. Oh, look at that. I caught some birds, and here's another part of the lake. It's very pretty. Nice. I wish the birds would come back, but at least we got the birds for a minute. Probably was a good time to come down here. But I figure I'd show you another little spot that we like to go to. And then there's another dog in the mist.